It's Nanny again here. How's everybody doing? I'd like to get some feedback from you people, and how are you enjoying the videos? Which ones do you like the best? Or do you like the cocktail drinks at all? Anyway, what I'm making for you today is zucchini pie. Now, I know I made a lot of zucchini things lately, but 'tis the season. Zucchinis are all over the place. Anyway, what I have here is about 1.5 pounds, maybe 3 or 4 cups of zucchini that's sliced as thin as you can get it. You could use a mandolin if you want, but sometimes it comes too thin. So to this, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, not a lot. That's kosher salt. I got 4 eggs here, beaten. This is a medium-sized onion, or you could use 1/2 of a large one. I lost a lot of it here. Okay. Some parsley, about a good handful of parsley. And my hand is full. My hands are clean. I washed them a few times. This is a tablespoon of granulated garlic. A cup of grated cheese of your choice. I use Pecorino Romano. This is not cake mix. It's like Bisquick, you know? Cake mix? What do you call it? I don't remember.
Pancake.
What?
Like pancake mix?
It's like, well, it's not really pancake mix. It's like...
That's generally what it's used for.
Yeah. You'll see it. I'll write it in the recipe. And this is 1/2 cup of oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable oil. And where's my little spoon? And you mix this all together. Mix it well. Excuse me. Okay. What I'm going to do here is spray this pan. It's a 9 by 13, but it's a little deeper than the regular ones, but you could use a regular 9 by 13. It's not a big deal. Okay, there we go. So what we're going to do here is place this in the pan. Let me get it around. It's still got to be mixed a little bit more. Okay. You know what? I think it needs a couple of more eggs. So I'm going to add a couple of more eggs and then put it in here. I'll be right with you. I think 6 eggs will do the trick because, I don't know, it doesn't look like it. You know, when you've been cooking so many years, you get the feel of everything and you get the look of everything. So I'm going to put 6 eggs. Everything else remains the same. There you go. That's better. That's better. Here you go, Mama. How's that look? Alrighty. I got my spatula. You know me, I don't like to waste anything. So we're gonna drop it in here. Like I said, you could use the regular 9 by 13 pan. Doesn't have to be the deep one. You can even use the disposable ones if you like. But I find that the glassware cooks so much better and much more evenly. I love them. Okay, let's get this down in here. And I have an oven that is preheated at 350. We're gonna put this in there for about 35 minutes. At 35 minutes, check it. There you go. I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so here we go. It's been in 37 minutes. Take a look at that. Wow. That's delicious. Woo! Ah, wow. It's hot. It should make it cool off a couple of minutes. But fantastic. Look at that. Delicious. This looks good. Good enough to eat. That is really tasty. I hope you try it. It's so easy. Just throw everything together and you have, what, an appetizer, a side dish, whatever. Until next time, this is Nanny, and don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.